Hey, what's up, you guys? So today I will be doing some passion twists. This pack of hair came with a crochet and like 5 little hair jewelry pieces. I don't know why it came with 5, but go get your own hair pieces. So right here I'm just showing you the hair. It came with about 7 packs of hair. The hair was super long, so you can cut these in half and have double the hair and do the style more than once if you wanted to, but I decided to keep them long. Right here I'm just showing you everything that came in the bag. Came with a little note, with a heart-shaped note, and their card, and I think that's a mirror in that little package. So by this time I had got back home, because I was at my homegirl house when I started. She helped me part. So now I'm just showing you the last section of my hair. You can take 2 rubber bands if you need to, if you have thick hair like me, just for extra security. You do not want to tie it tight. I don't know why I was going around so many damn times, but yeah. I'm just showing you the sections. I think I had 2, 4, 6 sections. I wanted it pretty big. I didn't have time to be sitting there all day doing my hair, and I wanted to try a jumbo twist on me anyways. So here's the product that I'll be using today. The main product, Shine and Jam. I love me some Shine and Jam. I just put that all along the length of my hair. I have thick hair, so I kind of used up like the whole jar, but that's besides the point. Use as much as you need, honey, okay, to get them in slick, okay, so your hair won't be picking out the twist. So right here, I'm just showing you how I open up the crochet needle and just stick it through. And this is a prime example why I kept this, in there, because I was struggling to get the needle through. You do not want to do it too tight, the rubber band. So right here, I'm just showing you that I used 4 pieces of the hair. I'm not even gonna lie, the hair was heavy when I finished this style. So, just keep that in mind. I did 22 twists. So, yeah. So I just take the end of the hair and crochet that through, so I won't be struggling to get all the hair through. Just take the end and crochet that through and just pull the rest through. Then you want to look at the ends to make sure that they are even. Then you're going to split your hair into 2 and tighten it up. Do not tighten it too tight, because we need our edges, honey, okay? And just begin to twist and add your product. You will need to twist while you're twisting, like twist both of the pieces right there, and then put it over the other one. So twist while you're twisting, like a Senegalese twist, kind of, until you get past your natural hair, okay? And I do not fluff my hair out until it is installed, like you see right here, because I feel like it just tangles up the hair if you do it before, and then it's like all puffy trying to get it through the rubber band and onto the crochet needle. You don't need to separate the hair until it's installed. And while you're twisting, you'll be running your hair down the shaft of the hair anyway, and it'll get bigger and bigger on its own anyway. So once you get past your hair, you just twist normally, and you can put your clamp on so it won't get tighter and tighter at the roots. Right here, I'm just going to untie my hair so I can show y'all the rest of the twists. They were super pretty, super juicy, like a cute, long twist out. And so I did put the hair over my head, when it got too long, or you could put it in your teeth while you twist if you're twisting down too long. So right here, I'm going to show you again. This is like a thinner piece, so I didn't need that much Shine and Gem. I don't know, certain parts of my hair are like way thicker. And I had 4 pieces. I have a braiding rack. I just was too lazy to get up and get it. So yeah. Right now I'm just showing you again. Open up the crochet hook. Stick the end of the hair, the ends of the twisting hair, passion twist hair, onto the needle. And you see how easy it is just to pull the end through, and then just pull the rest of the hair through. And you want to make sure the ends of the hair is even, like I said before. And then get your natural hair, split that in 2, tighten the rubber band just a little bit, not a lot, and begin twisting while you're twisting. Then when you get past your natural hair, you just twist regularly. But while you are twisting your hair, you need to be adding product to, the shaft of your own hair, so it won't be peeking through. My hair is kind of coarse, but not so much in this area, so this one didn't peek through. None of my hair peeked through really, because I think I used 4 pieces for all of them. So just make sure you use a good amount. of hair for each twist that covers your hair. If your hair is thinner, on the thinner side, you do not need 4 pieces unless you just want that big look. But just continue to watch me do the rest of these twists. I hope you guys enjoy. While you're here, please give me a like and join the family and subscribe. Support your girl. I have so much more content to put out that I think you guys will enjoy. Please like this video, like I said, and subscribe. All right, y'all. Her name is Tattoo Curls, and peace. So I forgot to show y'all the hair, my bad. Okay, so this is one pack. I was trying to count it, but it wasn't even working out. So I think I counted about like 20 to 24 strands, pieces of hair. And I just take out 4, like I said in the beginning, and I don't fluff them. But some of them were fluffy because it got caught up in the little band that was holding the thing together at the top. So if you cut that, the hair would just fall, and the pieces will, they won't get frizzy like that piece because I'm just taking them off the loop, if y'all understand what I'm saying. But yeah, back to the video. You guys, my camera died, but I had to have a photo shoot because this hair was bomb.com. I got so many compliments on this hair, y'all. Just soak up the photos or whatever, because I was definitely feeling myself, okay, if you can't already tell. But yeah, y'all, I'll catch y'all in the next video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Her name is Tattoo Curls, and peace.